Hey y'all, we're gonna do a quick video, quick review of the Lasko Pedestal fan. I'm gonna put it together for you, and I'm gonna tell you what we liked and disliked about it. All right, let's get into it. So these are all that we got in it. The base, yeah. This is the head assembly, pole, the blade, the grills, front and the rear grill, as well as these. So we're gonna put it together and show you what we're doing. All right. Base. Then we're gonna put a head assembly on the pole. Make sure that this is tightened. Alright, we're gonna put on the rear grill. Make sure that this groove goes flush with it. Alright, you don't want to do it like this, but it's not gonna go on properly anyways. So I want to put it on, and then we're gonna use the guard nut to tighten it. Alright. Then we're going to put on the blade. Pay attention to this, right? In the middle right there. Make sure you put it on properly. Alright. And then just going to tighten the spin right there. After that, we're gonna put the front grill on. So the front grill, it's pretty easy to go on. Here, snaps in place. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah, let's make sure all these snapped in properly. All right. We also got a remote and two AAA batteries. Alright. Yeah. Okay, so what I love about the fan is the fact that it comes with a remote and they give you batteries with it, AAA batteries. It has a built-in thermostat. You can see right here on the side. Has a timer as well. You can set a timer from 1 hour to 7. It oscillates. It has 4 speeds, 1 through 4. Yeah. Right here. And you can also adjust the height of the fan. So yeah, that's what I love about the fan. What I dislike about the fan is the fact that the pole here in the middle, it's not screwed on to the fan assembly or the base. Right? Just be mindful if you're grabbing it to move it to another room, that if you grab it too rough, it possibly exists that the pole or the base can fall off of the pole. Yeah. So that's what I don't like about it. Overall, I think it's a very good fan. It's light too. It's pretty light. Yeah, and it's pretty affordable too. I also love the fact that it's easy to assemble. It's quick and easy to assemble. Right? There's not much you need to do. It's completed. It costs us like $40. Right? So yeah, I hope you enjoy review, and you can go out and get one if you like. Hey, thanks for watching.